Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a Gmail account to Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. This allows you to manage your Gmail messages directly from the Thunderbird desktop application. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. From the Account Setup area, choose the option to add a new mail account. Enter your name, your complete Gmail address, and your Gmail password. Thunderbird will usually recognize Gmail automatically and suggest the correct server settings. Next, continue with the setup process and allow Thunderbird to check the configuration. Gmail commonly uses IMAP for synchronizing messages across devices, so this is often the preferred option. You may then be redirected to a Google sign-in window. Enter your Gmail address and continue with the sign-in process. If Google asks you to verify your identity, complete the required security steps. You may also see a permission screen asking Thunderbird to access your Gmail account. Review the permissions and allow access if you want Thunderbird to manage your messages. Once authentication is complete, Thunderbird will connect to your Gmail account. Your folders and messages may begin syncing automatically. The first synchronization can take some time, especially if your Gmail account contains a large number of messages. Just let the process finish before making major changes. And that's how to add a Gmail account to Mozilla Thunderbird. After setup, you can read, send, and organize Gmail messages directly from Thunderbird. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.